If you guys have been wanting to learn how to make money online using YouTube Shorts, which is a new feature on YouTube.com, and every single method that you've tried to dive into, they just don't work, don't worry, because today I'm going to be showing you a way that you're going to be able to make money online using this new YouTube feature, YouTube Shorts. It's only a 3-step process that you're going to have to follow, and you're going to start earning thousands of dollars every single month just to copy paste videos that are already on YouTube, and we can jump into that right now. So make sure that you check out What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. Now, this method is 100% free. It's completely brand new, so I'm sure you guys don't know about it yet, and in today's video, I'm going to bring that to you. Don't worry, you're not going to need any skills. You're not going to need any experience for this. You can be a complete beginner and you can slay this method. I know you guys are gonna absolutely love it. It's available worldwide, so don't even worry about it. So let's jump right into it. So we're gonna check out this term called Dash, and as you can see, this video got 25 million views in only a few months. This one got 19 million views. This one's got 17 million views just a few months ago. Just like millions of views, and you're gonna see a lot of other videos right here as well, getting hundreds of thousands of views. Now we're gonna take a look at multiple examples, starting with this one. Okay, in the last 30 days, they've got 1 million views. I'm pretty sure they have so much earnings, over $1,000. Now they get 1,000 views as well every single day. Now the videos that they make are a little bit longer, but that doesn't really affect their views in any way. But we're gonna be making YouTube Shorts, so which means that it's gonna go viral. Okay, now we're gonna take a look at this channel again, over 1 million views again, making $1,000, and this is the type of content that they make. Okay, so obviously this is going to be the examples that we're kind of going to be following with, and what we're going to be using to really get us started on how we want to start making these YouTube shorts and to make money online. So we're going to go onto YouTube. We're going to look up Dash, which we already did. YouTube's going to show us all of these results. However, most of these videos are copyrighted, so we can't exactly use them. We're going to click on filters, and then we're going to click on Creative Commons. And in that case, if you don't know what Creative Commons means, it just means that by marking your original video with a Creative Commons license, you are allowing the entire YouTube community the right to reuse this video. So we can use these videos, re-upload them, make them our own. For example, we're going to work with this video with over 1 million views. We're going to download the video by typing PT in the address bar and just after YouTube, and then click on enter. We're then going to be taken to this page, y2mate.com. Just make sure that you select the highest quality available and then click on download, and then the video will then be saved onto your laptop, and you're going to be able to turn this into a YouTube short. Now we're going to go onto canva.com, and we're then going to take a look at the search box, type in story ad, click on the option right here. You have to make sure it's 1080 by 1920, which is the correct YouTube short size. And here you can see that they have a lot of different templates under story ad. So what we're simply going to have to do is select the one that we like. We're going to click on it. If you don't like any of the templates shown, you can just start from a completely blank canvas by clicking blank story ad. Then we're going to drag our video into Canva over here, and then I'm going to sample that. If you guys want to know how to make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure that you check out our description box down below, because you guys are going to absolutely love the surprise that we have prepared for you guys over there. So make sure that you check that out. Also, why don't you leave a comment down below on where you're from and what you would rather use to get paid? PayPal, Payoneer, Bitcoin, whatever it is, let me know by commenting down below so I can use it as reference for future videos as well. Now let's continue. So, like I said, I'm going to sample so we can see the bit that we're going to use, how this bit looks. So, we're going to use it for a short, and as you can see, it's almost 11 minutes long. So, we're going to click here to trim it. We're going to find exactly where the clip is that we need to start and where it ends. And carefully, we're going to move the slider from right there for the end, and we're going to do the same. We're going to drag the slider right where we are. If you take a look at here, it's almost just a few seconds long, and we're just going to resize it. Okay, we're going to make it now it's perfect on our canvas. What we're going to do, we're going to add some background. Okay, I'm going to go to the top, select a color, and that. Now we're going to add captions. Let us click right here. We're going to select add a heading, and then we're going to click on add heading so we can put some call to action at the bottom of the video. We're going to type in, maybe link in the description box down below. Now our video is done. The only thing we're left to do is download the video, click on MP4, we're going to click on download again. Now we have our video downloaded and we can upload it on our YouTube channel by dragging and dropping it. For the typo, we can just write something that will catch other people's attention, okay, something like this. And now we can also add like an emoji. Lastly, we're going to type in hashtag shorts in the description. And now for a really good monetization strategy, but you probably have never heard about this before, we're going to go into Kitco, and Kitco isn't an easy way for you to sell a ton of different items through Amazon Associates, and in Amazon using just one link. For example, you can see Peter McKinnon, one of the biggest photographers on YouTube. He's actually made a kit where he sells his product. He uses such as this camera, memory card, so on and so forth. You can see that they have links to Amazon where they can buy, and if somebody buys through this link, you're gonna make money from that perk. All you need to do is click on sign up in the top right corner, and then you have the option to either sign up with whatever, and then the choice is yours. And as soon as you have an account, okay, we can just click right here. We're gonna name our kit whatever it is. So for us, it's this one. You can add a description of that or the hashtag, but we're just gonna skip that part. And then we're gonna click on next. Next, we're gonna do is search for a product. So let us search for whatever. This is the one that's ours, and then we're gonna click on this button, add that to the kit, and even this one, add that to the kit as well. Now we've selected several products, and now you have your very own kit. If anyone clicks on this kit, they can browse through all of these products. If they click on any of them, buy it on Amazon, you're gonna make money for that purchase. To get the link to that kit, you're gonna click on these three little dots under the share this kit and copy link to share. If you guys are having fun with today's video and loving everything that we're showing you so far, make sure to show your love and support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel and commenting on absolutely anything. Make sure that you also hit that notification bell so that you're going to be notified whenever we have a new video posted. And let's keep going then. Now we go on back to our YouTube video, paste the link right there for the caption. Write something like this. Now we want our video to rank, so we're gonna just scroll down here, type in this as well, and as you can see, this tool will right away suggest great keywords that we can add to our video. The tool that I'm talking about is called TubeBuddy. Now, it's just a Chrome extension. It's going to help you see a lot of more data on YouTube, and also will give you this tool for completely free. You can download it, and we're going to type in just this one. Then we can add this tag here. Click here to add this keyword as well as this one too. And then we're going to type in this and add these tags. It's super duper easy. And now that we have enough tags, that's basically it. Just follow everything that I had taught you guys today. Make sure you watch everything. If you missed anything, watch it over and over again, because that's the only way you're going to be able to come out successful with today's video. And that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.